Hi, I'm Angela, and we're still under quarantine. It's day 50, week 7 or 8. That also means it's week 7 of me not wearing a bra. And my family and I are doing this silent competition of whose boobs can sag to the floor the fastest. I think I'm winning. Give it another day or two, I can, play hacky sack with it or something. Today, I'm going to be making Mujigae-tteok. Cake. Rainbow rice cake. Originally, I was going to make this for my mom for her birthday, which was a couple weeks ago, but the thing I ordered online didn't arrive in time. So instead, I'm going to be making it for my birthday, which is in a couple of days. It's this Saturday. Gonna have a quarantine birthday, which is like the rest of my other birthdays. This is the first time that I'm making this, so I figured if it doesn't turn out right, I'll only be disappointing myself, which isn't hard to do. So I'm going to be following a couple different recipes. One of the reasons why I don't know if this is going to turn out correctly is because I have regular rice flour. All of the recipes I saw online asked for frozen rice flour, and I couldn't find that. So instead, I put this in the freezer, and hopefully it's manageable. And if you're wondering why there's 2 refrigerators, actually there's 3 refrigerators. It's my mom's place, and if you're Korean or Asian, each refrigerator has its own purpose. That red one's the kimchi 냉장고. This one's like more vegetable, fresh vegetables. And then this one's like the main one. First off, get a bowl and rice flour. I'm going to need 5.5 cups. To this, 6 tablespoons of water. And it should mix until it's clumpy. I think I need to put more water because you're supposed to be able to make a fist and it's supposed to stay intact. I had to add a lot more water, maybe because it's not the frozen rice flour, but so this is how it looks like. If I make into a ball, it kind of forms into a ball, and then it crumbles up. So now I'm supposed to sift this. I don't have like a large sifter, so this took a really long time. I don't know if you could tell, but the texture changed and it looks very snowy. It looks like snow. And it's saying to divide it into 60 grams. 60? Oh no, 90 grams. I have 7 bowls with 90 grams of rice flour in it. So now it says to add food coloring. I don't know, this is a gel food coloring. That one's red. Oh, that turned out good. Red is done. Now we need orange, which is colors. Red and yellow. Orange, yellow, green, purple, red, and blue. Purple, blue. So I have all my colors here. Now I'm supposed to put a tablespoon of sugar into each one. Now get a spring pan form. I believe this is 7 or 7.5 inch, and start building it up. So I have a double boiler there. This says to line it. I have a cloth here. Pan in here. Maybe see if it fit. First layer is the purple one. I need something to smooth it out. I just have green this one. I did the best I could. Close it, make it come to a boil. So that is going to steam for 30 minutes. That took a long time. That whole process took a lot longer than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was just gonna... So now we just have to wait and clean up all of this. This is almost done steaming. I don't understand how I did 5.5 cups and I have this much left over. That kind of worries me, and I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. Oh, look how pretty that looks. Come on, you have to admit that looks pretty. Even though this fell apart. But I don't know if it's gonna taste good. So you just let it cool? Yeah. 이거 뜨거워. Happy Mother's Day, Oma. Thank you. If it tastes good, Happy Mother's Day. If it doesn't taste good, then it's my birthday cake. Okay. Okay, so let's cut this. Cut it like that?
Not all the way.
Like
Cut
this?
it out.
It's breaking apart already. Where are you going? You're supposed to taste it. What? Oh my!
It's not supposed to be broken. It's not supposed to be fall apart.
It's not falling apart. Look how delicious this looks.
You look pretty, but it's not.
Mmm. Mmm.
We. No, it's not done.
You didn't even try it. She's spitting it out. What? Okay, I'm gonna try it.
You need more water.
I put tons of water in here.
No, you need more water. It's still dry. Think about. It's still powder. Why are you spitting out? Huh? It's just the flour. You need more steam.
Mmm. What are you talking about? It's good.
It looks so pretty, but you cannot eat that.
So my mistake was I had this bottom thing on when I'm supposed to remove it and then steam it, so none of the steam actually went through the rice cake. So my mom is fixing it or trying to re-steam it.
Okay, now you can steam for more than.
As you can tell, it wasn't cooked at all, so it's re-steaming now. Hopefully Hopefully it tastes better. So close. It could have turned out really well. Oh my gosh. That's been steaming the correct way for 35 minutes. So it doesn't look much better. Let's try it. Cheers. How is it not cooked? It still tastes raw. Well, happy birthday to me. Oh man, that was a complete fail. I didn't have the right rice flour to begin with. There's not enough moisture in this rice cake, even though I added like 2 cups, even though the directions said to add only like 6 or 8 tablespoons. There's something different about the rice flour to begin with that's not holding up. This makes me really sad. This makes me really sad. Oh my gosh. I mean, it just got worse as it's in there for some reason. Maybe I'll make a sweet potato cake. Oh my gosh. But a quick update, if you guys saw my last video, you know, I caught you guys up with my life so far. My surgery date for my gallbladder removal is set for May 29th. They are letting people schedule surgeries now, so I just have to wait a couple more weeks, and I can't wait to start eating normally again so that I don't have to go through this. No, I actually want to try this again. I'm gonna try to find the right one, or I did see a recipe where I could make my well, that's so dry, it's still caught in my throat. I could make my own rice flour, so I'm gonna try that. But yeah, I'm excited for my surgery. Just have to wait it out just a couple more weeks, a couple more days, and yeah, I think this will be my last video for this month, but I'm gonna try, you know, again to film more. But I hope you guys are doing well, and yeah, till next time, bye. Try it.
뭘 try야? 그거 배고파서 오면 그거 먹으려고 그랬더니.
Eat it. There's enough for you to eat.
맛있게 생겼는데? 아이고, 먹을 수 있나 봐요. 그래, 이거야겠다.